Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing exercise 16.1 and in the today's session as well, I am going to start with the same exercise, that is exercise 16.1. Okay, so all of you kindly open your books at exercise 16.1. This is exercise 16.1. Okay, so here, so we have already done up to question number 4 and now I am going to start with question number 5 from the same exercise. Okay, so the question number 5 is, each student of class 4 was asked to borrow a book from the library, which is depicted in the bar graph. Answer in the following. So now in the question number 5 here, as you can see, there is a bar graph that is given. Okay, and here is some information that is being depicted by that bar graph. जो ये बार ग्राफ दिया है ये एक तरह से इंफॉर्मेशन बता रहा है. सम इंफॉर्मेशन इज बीइंग डिपिक्टेड बाय दिस बार ग्राफ. Okay, so this bar graph is representing the data about the books borrowed by the students from the library, from the books borrowed by the students of class 4 from the library. तो एक लाइब्रेरी से जो क्लास 4 के स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्होंने अलग अलग जो बुक्स ली हैं, कौन सी ली हैं, तो उसके बारे में दिस बार ग्राफ इज बीइंग गिवन है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द बार ग्राफ हियर. सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Okay, so let's make the bar graph first. Okay, next. Okay, so now here 0, then it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, and here that is number of books, that is number of books. Okay, so the number of books that are being borrowed. So this is bar graph here. From this side it is representing the number of books that is being bought that is being borrowed by the students of class 4. So ये side है बेटा, this is representing the data about the number of books that has been borrowed by the students of class 4. तो क्लास 4 की जो स्टूडेंट्स ने जो बुक्स बोरो की हैं लाइब्रेरी में, लाइब्रेरी से, उसके बारे में डेटा दैट इज गिवन हियर. सो इट इज 0, then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So this data is representing the different number of books that is being borrowed by the students of class 4. So okay, so now let's see. So देखिए in the question as you can see, so here the different kinds of books is given. The first is story, then magazines, novel, games, computer and the puzzles. So these are the different kinds of books that are being borrowed by the students of class 4. So the number of books borrowed by the students of class 4, that is story books. Story books, that is 10. Okay, so story books is 10. This is written here. That is 10. That is story books. That is story books. Next is magazines. So the number of magazines borrowed by class 4 is also 10. That is magazines. MAGZINES magazines. Third is novel. तो novel कितने बच्चों ने दी? That is 5 के बिल्कुल सामने. That is 5. That is novel. Okay, novels. Next, games. That is 25. So the number of books of games, that is here, that is of games. Games. Next is computer. So computer की books कितनी ली है? That is 15. इसको हम थोड़ा सा बढ़ा देंगे बेटा. So that is 15. That is 15, that is computer books. COMPUTER, that is computer books. Next is, the last is the puzzle, that is 20. So number of puzzles books is, that is 20. That is puzzles. PUZZLE, that is puzzle. ओके सो देखिए दिस बार ग्राफ इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द डेटा. ओके अब देखिए कि बार ग्राफ डेटा कौन सा रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. सो दिस बार ग्राफ इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द डेटा अबाउट द. ओके सो नाउ हियर वन हेडिंग इज ऑल्सो रिटन, दैट इज बुक्स बोरोड फ्रॉम द लाइब्रेरी. हियर इट इज रिटन बुक्स borrowed from the library. Books borrowed from the library. Okay, now here this is given. Okay, so these are the books that are being borrowed from the library. तो देखिए अब इसमें क्या दिया है बेटा. So this whole bar graph. So this whole bar graph is representing the data about the books that are being borrowed by the students of class 4, okay, from the library. तो जो class 4 के बच्चे हैं उनको बोला गया कि that you have to borrow, आपको कुछ books borrow करनी है लाइब्रेरी से पढ़ने के लिए. ठीक है, तो उनको लाइब्रेरी भेजा गया. ओके एंड दिस इज द डेटा. ये दिस इज द डेटा दैट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग कि कौन सी बुक्स कितने बच्चों ने जो है ली है. हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, कितने बच्चों ने कौन सी बुक्स ली है. सो लेट्स स्टडी द बार ग्राफ फर्स्ट. दैट इज फर्स्ट इज द स्टोरी बुक्स. तो स्टोरी बुक्स लेने वाले बच्चे कितने थे. देखिए हियर इट इज 10. एज यू नो वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन सम ऑफ द सन्स. तो स्टोरी बुक्स लेने वाले बच्चे कितने थे. 10. तो 10 बच्चों के सामने ग्राफ हमारा आता है. दैट इज so the number of story books the story books purchased by this 10 students. so 10 बच्चों ने story books से जो purchase की. next is magazines. so how many students have purchased the magazines. that is 10. so total 10 number of students have purchased the magazines. 10 number of students have purchased the magazines. next is novels. so how many students have purchased the novels. that is 5. so total 5 students have purchased the novels. तो novels खरीदने वाले कितने बच्चे थे. that is 5. okay next is games. so how many number of students have purchased the books that are related to games. सोच लीजिए किसी पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट्स से या स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन से पर्सनालिटीज से रिलेटेड कुछ बुक्स हैं जो उन्होंने खरीदी थी. okay so how many students have purchased the books that is related to the games. that is 25. so 25 students have purchased the books that are related to games. तो games से related कितने बच्चे हैं. that is 25. so games से related books कितने बच्चों ने खरीदी. 25 students. next is computer. so how many students have purchased the books those are related to computer. देखिए इसके बिल्कुल सामने. that is 15. so 15 students have purchased the books that मतलब कंप्यूटर बुक्स. ठीक है, परचेज नहीं कर सकते. हैव बोरोड 15 कंप्यूटर बुक्स. तो 15 बच्चों ने जो है कंप्यूटर की बुक है जो बोरो की है फ्रॉम द लाइब्रेरी. नेक्स्ट इज द पजल्स. कौन सी बुक्स होती है जिसके बहुत सारे पजल्स दिए होते हैं ना, मतलब बहुत सारी क्लूज एंड ऑफ देयर देन यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट. सो द पजल बुक इज ऑल्सो देयर, वॉज देयर इन द लाइब्रेरी. सो हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हैव बोरोड द पजल बुक्स. that is 20. so 20 students have borrowed the books have borrowed the puzzle books. जिन्होंने कि puzzle वाली books हैं जो खरीदी थी. so this is the whole data about the number of books that are being borrowed by the students or by the students of class 4 from the library. तो लाइक ये कौन कौन से बुक्स. स्टोरी बुक्स, मैगजीन्स, नॉवेल्स, गेम्स, कंप्यूटर्स एंड द पजल्स. तो ये जो अलग अलग तरह की नंबर बुक्स हैं दैट आर बीइंग बोरोड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास फ्रॉम द लाइब्रेरी एंड दिस इज द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. तो ये नंबर है. तो देखिए अभी तक हमने क्या था 1 2 3 4 5 किए थे. नाउ यू कैन सी दिस 0 to 5 then 10 15 20 25 30. so the gap between all of them is 5. ये बेटा मैंने आपको जब चैप्टर हमने शुरू किया था उस टाइम भी मैंने बताया था कि देयर शुड बी इक्वल गैप बिटवीन इट। ओके, तो इनके बीच में हमेशा इक्वल गैप होना चाहिए। 5 है, देन इट शुड बी 10, 15, 20, 25, 30। सो देयर शुड बी इक्वल गैप बिटवीन देम। ओके, ये नहीं कि यहाँ पे 0 के बाद 5 देन 6 देन 7, नो, 0 के बाद 5, दैट मीन्स इसके बीच में अगर 5 का गैप है तो इनके बीच में भी 5 का होना चाहिए। क्लियर? The gap between the numbers that are representing the data, that should be always equal. That should always be equal. Okay. So now, this was the bar graph that is given in your book. Now let's move to the questions. Okay, that are given in your book, and we have to answer it. Starting with the first one. How many story books were borrowed? So story books, कितनी story books हैं जो borrow की गई? So here the story books is given. तो यहाँ पे देखिए story books दिए गए हैं. So देखिए story book का ग्राफ कहाँ तक है? That is up to 10. So how many story books have been borrowed? That is 10. 10 story books have been borrowed. So the answer of the first is 10 story books कितनी है? That is 10 story books. कितनी स्टोरी बुक्स कौन सी होती है? जिसमें कि स्टोरीज दी होती है, कहानियां दी होती है, जिनको बोलते हैं कहानियों वाली बुक्स जो होती है, दैट इज नोन एज स्टोरी बुक्स. सो 10 स्टोरी बुक्स हैव बीन बोरोड. सेकेंड इज विच टाइप ऑफ बुक इज मोस्ट पॉपुलर. ओके, तो देखिए इनमें से जितनी भी बुक्स दी गई हैं उसमें से सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलर बुक कौन सी है. सो देखिए फॉर एनालाइजिंग इट, फॉर इंटरप्रेटिंग इट, यू हैव टू सी कि सबसे ऊंचा ग्राफ किसका है. So as you can see the graph of games, so the graph of the book that is related to games is so high. बाकी जितनी भी बुक्स दी हैं उसमें जो गेम से रिलेटेड जो आपके पास ग्राफ है, देखिए as you can see सबसे ऊंचा ग्राफ कौन सा है, which is the highest graph, that is this one. So the graph related to the games is the highest graph. So that means question क्या दिया हुआ बेटा आपकी बुक में, which type of book is most popular, that is games. So the book that are related to the topic of games, जो games से related topic है वो वाली books हैं जो सबसे ज्यादा popular है. So which type of books are most popular, that is games, GAMES, that is games. Third one, which type of book is least popular. सबसे लीस्ट पॉपुलर बुक्स कौन सी हैं, विच इज द लीस्ट पॉपुलर बुक. सो सबसे नाउ देखिए सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलर वाले में हमने क्या देखा, सबसे ऊंचा ग्राफ किसका है. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द लीस्ट पॉपुलर, दैट मीन्स सबसे कम पॉपुलर बुक्स कौन सी है. फॉर दैट वी विल सी द ग्राफ ऑफ द बुक जो कि सबसे छोटा है. तो सबसे छोटा ग्राफ कौन सा है, दैट इज दिस वन. सो दैट इज नॉवेल. ओके, सो नॉवेल से रिलेटेड जो हमारा जो बुक्स हैं दैट आर लीस्ट पॉपुलर. सो द स्टूडेंट्स दे डोंट लाइक टू रीड नॉवेल्स बिकॉज दे आर वेरी लेंथी. तो नॉवेल्स काफ़ी लंबी होती हैं तो इसलिए बच्चे जो नॉवेल पढ़ना पसंद नहीं करते. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज द लीस्ट पॉपुलर टाइप ऑफ बुक. ओके, दैट इज बीइंग बोरोड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स. सो द क्वेश्चन वाज विच टाइप ऑफ बुक इज लीस्ट पॉपुलर, दैट इज नॉवेल. नॉवेल ओके बहुत लंबी होती है. ओके, कई बार नॉवेल्स की सीरीज भी होती हैं क्योंकि कई बच्चों को तो रीडिंग बहुत पसंद होती है. दे जस्ट लव टू रीड नॉवेल्स एंड सम स्टूडेंट दे डोंट लाइक रीडिंग. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज द लीस्ट पॉपुलर type of book that are being borrowed by the students of class 4. Next is how many students are in the class. So total how many students are there in the class. तो देखिए बेटा उसके लिए आपको ये देखने की जरूरत नहीं कि यहाँ पे 30 है. सो दैट मीन्स 30 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. नो, टोटल स्टूडेंट्स कितने, देखिए 10 स्टूडेंट्स ने स्टोरी बुक्स ली, 10 ने मैगजीन्स, 5 हैव टेकन द नॉवेल एंड 25 हैव टेकन द गेम्स बुक and 15 have taken the computer books and 20 have taken the puzzle books. So now the question is that how many total number of students. देखिए एक बच्चे ने एक बुक ली है. Every individual child has borrowed a single book, individual book. हर individual बच्चे ने individual book ली है. So that means now तो जितने भी the number of students that are being represented by this bar graph. तो ये बार ग्राफ जितने भी नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. सो दैट मीन्स दैट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. सो वी हैव टू ऐड ऑल ऑफ देम. So first of number of story books. Story books कितने बच्चों ने ली? That is 10. So let's add 10. Plus second is magazines. How many students have borrowed the magazines? That is also 10. So write 10. Plus third is novels. So how many students have borrowed the novels? That is 5. That is 5. So 5 students have borrowed the novels. Next is games. How many students have purchased the books that are how many students have borrowed the books that are related to games? That is 25. That is 25. Plus next is computers. So how many students have purchased have borrowed the books? Those are related to the computer. That is 15. Computer topic से related कितनी books कितने बच्चों ने borrow किए? That is 15. Plus last is puzzle. So how many students have borrowed the books? Those are related to the puzzles. That is 20. So 20 students have borrowed the books that are related to the puzzles. So here we will write 20. So now we have to add all of them. अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम इन सबको क्या करेंगे? Add. So let's add them. 10 plus 10 20 plus 5 25 plus 25 50 50 plus 15 65 65 plus 20 that is 85. That is 85 students. Okay, 85 students. Okay, so question tha that how many students are there in the class? So there are 85 students in the class. So you will write there are 85 students. There are 85 students in the class. There are 85 students in the class. Okay. Fifth one. The fifth is, which activity is most popular? Which activity is most popular? Fifth, not the fifth. Fifth is, how many more students borrowed games book than puzzle books? Okay. तो puzzle book के comparatively कितने बच्चों ने जो games की book है जो ज़्यादा ली? So the fifth is, okay, so fifth question है हमारा. So देखिए, the number of games book that are being borrowed by the student, that is 25. So games की जो books borrow कितने बच्चों ने किया? That is 25, and puzzle books are borrowed by 20 students. So puzzle books borrow करने वाले 20 students हैं. Games की book borrow करने वाले there are 25 students. So how many students? That is 25 minus 20, that is 5. So 5 more students have borrowed games book more than puzzle books. So इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? देखिए, total number of students that have borrowed the games book, that is 10, minus the total number of students that have borrowed the puzzle books, that is total number of students that has borrowed the games book, that is 25, minus the total number of students that have borrowed the puzzle book, that is 20. So 25 minus 20, that is 5 students. That is 5 students. Okay. So this is the answer of the last question of sum number 5. Okay. So these are the answers. This is the solution of question number 5 from exercise 16.1. You have to make a proper bar graph, then you have to answer all the questions that are being asked in the given bar graph. तो उस bar graph में जो भी questions पूछे गए आपसे, you have to answer that. Okay? Okay. Now moving next to the page number 189. Okay, so I am moving to the next page, that is page number 189. Okay. Page number is 189. Okay, so let's move to the question number 3 that is given at page number 189. That is also related to the bar graph. Page number 189. Okay, that is related to the bar graph. Okay, so let's do question number 3. So in question number 3, I can see a bar graph is given here. So let's draw the bar graph first. Price per kilogram. So let's make a bar graph. Just a second. Okay, that is question number 3. Okay, so here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, it is 11 and the last is 12. So here I am matching the glass 4. Okay, so this is the graph and this graph is representing price in rupee. This bar graph is representing here, this data is representing the price of the different food items in rupees. Okay, so different vegetables. So the question is, so here the question is, the bar graph shows the price of some vegetables per kg. Read it and answer the following questions. So here this bar graph is representing the price of various vegetables in the market. So the first is potato. Potato, that is 8. Okay, so that is potato. Potato, that is potato. Next is cauliflower, that is 12. That is cauliflower. Next is tomato. Next is tomato. Tomato. That is tomato. Last is onion. The next is onion. That is जो 10 के बिल्कुल सामने है. That is onion. जिसको कि हम प्याज बोलते हैं. This is onion. O-N-I-O-N. You will not say it's onion. It's not onion. It's onion. Clear? The last one is the pumpkin. Pumpkin, that is 8. That is 8. That is pumpkin. कद्दू जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Pumpkin. Okay. So this is the bar graph. Okay. And this bar graph is depending that price per kilogram. Price per kg. So this is the data, this is the bar graph that is representing the price of various vegetables. अलग-अलग vegetables है, that is potato, cauliflower, tomato, onion and pumpkin. जो इनका price है. So this is the price chart. Okay, so this is the price, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 12 rupees, what is the price per kilogram, that is represented here. And this is the name of the various vegetables. Okay, so the first one is the potato. So the price of potato is 8 rupees per kilogram. Okay, देखिए price per kilogram है. 1 kg का price क्या, that is given. So the price of potato is 8 rupees. Price of 1 kg cauliflower is 12 rupees. Price of 1 kg tomato. So the price of 1 kg tomato, 1 kilo टमाटर का price, that is rupees 5. The price of onion. So अनियन का प्राइस कितना, दैट इज 10. इसका थोड़ा ग्राफ थोड़ा सा नीचे आएगा. द प्राइस ऑफ अनियन इज 10 rupees per kg. The next is the pumpkin. So the price of pumpkin is 8 rupees. So the price of pumpkin is, so भी हम थोड़ा सा नीचे ड्रॉ करेंगे, that is 8 rupees per kg. Okay. So now this is the bar graph given in your book. Now we are going to answer the questions. अब हम जो questions हैं वो आंसर करेंगे that are being asked for interpreting this बार ग्राफ. तो इस बार ग्राफ को इंटरप्रेट करते हुए जो क्वेश्चन हमसे पूछे गए हैं, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू आंसर दिस दैट वन. स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ 1 kg पोटैटो. ओके, तो पोटैटो मीन्स आलू. सो व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ 1 kg पोटैटो, दैट इज 8 rupees per kg. Rupees 8 per kg. So the price of potato is rupees 8 per kg. That is the price of potato. That is rupees 8 per kg. Clear? Next B1. What is cheaper, pumpkin or cauliflower? Pumpkin या cauliflower में से किसका जो price है, which is cheaper? So price of which vegetable is less? Either pumpkin or the second is cauliflower. So the price of pumpkin is 8. The price of cauliflower is rupees 12 per kg. So देखिए the price of cauliflower का price कितना, that is rupees 12 per kg, and the price of pumpkin is rupees 8 per kg. So the price of pumpkin is higher or the price of cauliflower is higher. Okay, so as we can see the price of, the question is which is cheaper. Cheaper means कौन सा सस्ता है. The cauliflower is 12 rupees per kg and pumpkin is 8 rupees per kg. So that means pumpkin is pumpkin is cheaper. So the price of pumpkin is cheaper. So pumpkin is cheaper. उन्होंने महंगा नहीं, cheaper means सस्ता. So which one is cheaper? Pumpkin is cheaper than cauliflower. Pumpkin is cheaper than cauliflower. Clear? Third one. How much will 2 kg onion cost? So देखिए the cost of 1 kg onion कितनी है? That is 10 rupees per kg. So now they have asked what will be the price of 2 kg onion. अगर 1 kg onion का price is rupees 8, so what will be the cost of 2 kg onion? So that means we will multiply the price with 2. So the price of 1 kg onion is 10 and the price of 2 kg onion is, okay, price of 1 kg onion is equal to rupees 10. Price of 2 kg onion, that we have to find. So we will multiply rupees 10 with 2 is equal to rupees 20. So the price of 2 kg onion is rupees 20. Clear? Moving to the fourth one. How much will 2 kg onion cost? Sorry, which is the cheapest vegetable? जितनी भी vegetables दी गई हैं सबसे cheapest, सबसे सस्ती कौन सी? देखिए जिसका ग्राफ सबसे नीचे है that is the cheapest vegetable, that is tomato. But हालांकि आजकल tomato is not that much cheaper. So which is the which vegetable is the so question is which is the cheapest vegetable? That is tomato. Tomato is the cheapest vegetable. That is the answer of the fourth one. Tomato is the cheapest vegetable. Tomato is the cheapest vegetable. Clear? So this is the solution of question number 3 from the page number 189, and you must do it in your notebooks very neatly by making a proper diagram. Clear? So this was our today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a good day.